original Tainan Watercourse was located in Shanshan District, Tainan City.
In 1897, Hygiene Advisor of Office of the Taiwan Governor General, Mr. W.K. Burden, and Mr. Hamano Yashiro first conducted an investigation on water source and quality in Tainan region.
The construction began in 1912. It took about 10 years. Tainan Watercourse had its water source from Sanwen River. Water was pumped to sedimentation tank before transferred into filter room. After filtering or adding chemicals and refiltering processes, water was repumped to the purification tank at south side of Shanshan for storage. In the end, with gravity water supply method, water was supplied to household users in entire Tainan City. We are now renovating water source area, and it is planned to build a water museum after completion.
台南水道它从西元1922年完工的时候，那它这边呈现出来的是一个全台湾规模仅次于台北水道，规模第2大的一个水道设施。那在当时候的时空背景来讲，台南水道在全台湾它是属于第10个完工的那在它整个呈现出来的一个的样貌来说，呈现出一种和洋折中的一个建筑风格。
Tainan Waterways consists of two parts, water source area and water purification tank area. There are two main buildings in water source area, a quick filter tank room and an office building. There are also a discharging pump room and an oxygen machinery room. They were all built with red-facing bricks. In water purification tank area, its architecture style is different from that of water source area. They look like castles in Europe. The main structure of water purification tank used stone, precast cement, and RC structure showing the appearance mainly in gray color. Additionally, cover soil was used to present the visual feeling of underground fortified structure. In fact, it was a 2 to 3 story building above the ground.
台南水道这边它取水的流程它其实是采用2抽3放这样子的一个设计。那所谓的2抽，就是我们现在有看到的这个马达的部分这里叫做送出集桶室。那还有另外一个地方，就是在曾文溪边的取入集桶室。那集桶就是我们现在讲的邦普马达的意思。那它这2个集桶室，它的功能就是把水从低处往高处抽，需要经由机械的动力才能让水往高处流。
By Sanwen River, water is pumped from drawing pump room to settling tank. After initially settling, the discharging process begins to transmit water to the side lower than settling tank by 5 to 6 meters. Quick filtering room. After adding chemical agents at quick filtering room and processing at quick settling tank, we refill the water and begin the other discharging process at quick filtering room. Water is then transmitted to discharging pump room, where has a discharging pump well to conduct the following water transmission process. There are 4 motors here. Originally, the facility had 3 motors. The system was operated based on 3 motors to transmit water to the purification tank 1.8 kilometers away. The last water settling and storage process is finished at the purification tank before distributing to users in Tainan downtown area at that time. The area is nearby Tainan train station now. Historical Tainan waterways were divided into 2 areas by Tainan Provincial Highway 178. In north, there is water source area. In south, there is water purification tank area. Now water purification tank area has been restored completely. Because of the total darkness at purification tank, it becomes the habitat of Taiwan leaf-nosed bat. The remaining season is between May and June. In order to protect the ecosystem during the mating system of Taiwan leaf-nosed bat, the initial purification tank is not open to the public. In water source area, there is biodiversified plantation and ecosystem that have to be incorporated with building restoration and exhibition design.
未来我们将整体活化成山上花园水稻博物馆，让它成为台南市民
南台湾民众以及国人来到台南造访时候一个休闲游憩的一个后花园。
China Watercourse was the important site for water supply in China. Its historical value or architect meaning is very valuable. Here also have beautiful scenery. You will feel being at a small European town. Now, renovation of purification tank has been completed. It provides visitors a spectacular view. You can come here for taking a walk, hiking,